Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to record. First, open Capcut on your PC and import the clip or timeline you'll narrate. Then make sure your microphone is connected and set as the default recording device in Windows. This avoids input switching mid-take. In Capcut, check project audio settings so sample rates match your mic. Once done, position the playhead where you want to start and arm the audio track. That gets you from setup to the first actionable recording step without delay. Now record directly into the timeline. Select the track you'll record on and click the record icon in Capcut's toolbar. You'll see a countdown before capture. Speak clearly and watch the input meters. Keep peaks under clipping by adjusting gain in Windows or the mic app. If you need precise timing, enable the count-in. When you finish a take, stop and review immediately. If you need multiple tries, record each as its own clip to simplify later trimming and comping. Finish by editing your recorded clips. Trim silences, add short fades to remove clicks, and normalize levels for consistency. Use Capcut's noise reduction and EQ if background noise or harshness remains. When satisfied, export your sequence or export audio only with a high bitrate. If you encounter problems, first confirm Capcut has microphone permission in Windows, that drivers are current, and that the track is armed for recording. Resolving one of the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.